Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because I'm uploading back to back. We have done Simpsons collection reveal and review, we've done Corpse Bride, we've done Sleeping Beauty, we've done Snow White, and today we're doing XX Revolution and The Matrix. If I look tired and different in my video, it's because it's literally 25 to 10 at night that I'm filming this. I've been at work all day, I've been at PT, then I went and got my nails done, so I've got nice fresh nails, my toenails, and then I went up to work 12 till 8, and I've managed to get home, have a ham sandwich, and now I'm filming. I'm going to edit it and get it up tonight for you as well. So yeah, my face probably looks very washed out because I only have whatever I put on for work earlier. I've got nothing on my eyes, and I've just got a little bit of the Soft lip balm on from Revolution. So let's get straight into it. So I'm missing two things from the collection because it wasn't in the warehouse for them to send it to me. If you don't know already, I work for Revolution. I've got a video on my channel explaining it all called The Secret. So they have gifted me these things, but not for my YouTube, if that makes sense. I don't know if it makes any sense at all, but I have the full collection apart from the cosmetic mesh bag and one of the palettes, which is the green packaging one. If you want me to do a review on it, then I think I'll end up just buying it. But yeah, let's just go straight through the whole collection. So we have the big palette, I have the case, which is so cool, with products inside, and then we have more, and more, and more, and then more. So let's just get straight into it. Let's go through all the products in the collection because it is a big one, and let's go through prices, and then you can let me know in the comments which one you want me to try tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going to do a full review testing the collection, and the day after I will do a second review. So let me know which ones you want me to test straight away, and I'll do that in tomorrow's video, and then the day after I will do whatever is left. Okay. Let's go. So I'm just on Revolution's website just so I can get prices up for you, and it says you get a free gift if you buy 3 or more of the Matrix things, and if you buy 3 or more of the Disney Princess things, I'm sure you get a free gift of that as well. And that was definitely the case yesterday, so I wonder if that's still the same, but I know for the Matrix that is definitely the case. So let's start with whatever we have on the top. So first up we have the Matrix XX Revolution face pads. So these retail for £10. So if you know my channel, or if you know me, I love green. I've actually just got green on my nails, but that was just a coincidence. But I absolutely love green. Like, my mum's favourite colour is green, my auntie's favourite colour is green, my cousin Caitlin absolutely loves green. Like, I just love the colour green. I had like a green Scooby-Doo bedroom when I was a kid. Like, I absolutely love it. So this whole collection, it speaks to me on a deeper level. Like, I just love it. So first up we have this. These are obviously the face pads that come in a little funky box. I haven't even opened these. And then, ooh, they're really soft. Inside we have 3 face pads. And then this is just what they look like. I absolutely love these face pads. I have, excuse the dirtiness of it, but I have one of the e.l.f. ones. Oh, it's actually, ooh, this is actually a lot bigger than the e.l.f. one. That's even better. Okay, I'm very impressed. So we get 3 of them in a pack for £10. In case you don't know, I use these I wet them, and when I'm doing my double cleanse, I use this to wipe it all off. So it's kind of like an alternative to like a flannel or a sponge, that kind of thing. So yeah, I will definitely be getting my use out of them. Next up we have a little brush set, which just looks like this. So this is the Matrix brush set. It says Unreal Soft Touch Eye Brush Set. It includes a packing brush, a blending brush, an angled brush, a micro blending brush, and a micro detail brush. And it's 100% synthetic fibres as well. And you know, I love it because it's green. So this is just what it looks like. So it's like a little zip case. It has the little XX on the handle, which is really cute, and then the inside of it looks like this. So yeah, we do have some really, really small brushes in here, which I like because I feel like a lot of brands miss out on that. They give like massive blending brushes, and it's like, oh, you see my eyes? I got tiny little eyes. And then that is just what the set looks like. Let me see how much this retails for. So they retail for £20, which, to be honest with you, I'm not gonna lie, I do think that's quite pricey. However, I know the Simpsons collection, the Treehouse ones, please ignore that they're dirty because I have actually cleaned them once, but I've used them again because I really like them. But the Treehouse ones from the Simpsons, I believe they're 20 as well. And you get 5 brushes. I think it's 5 brushes in there or 6 brushes in there. So yeah, it depends if you're after some really, really good kind of small eye brushes, then that would be one to consider. So that is £20. Next up we have some sponges. You get 3 in the pack. These are the Oracle sponge set. Ooh, so the sponge set is £10, which is really, really good considering you get 3 sponges inside. So this is what the sponges look like, and they're all different shapes. So we have this one, which has a flat edge here, a flat edge here, and then a flat edge here, and then obviously the normal sponge shape on the other side. They feel really, really nice. They feel like the Harley Quinn ones, which you know I love, and the Friends ones, I really, really love them as well. Then we have this little funky one, this little black one, this little funky one. This would be really good for getting right up in that inner corner, right around your nose as well, and then really hard to reach areas. And then the last one that we have just looks like this, has a flat edge here and then a flat edge on the back, and then obviously the normal sponge on that side. They feel really, really nice, and £10 for 3. Very impressed by that. So next up is a thing that I feel like is so like unique and clever, and I just love it, is the little briefcase set. Like this is a little cosmetic case. I absolutely love it. So this retails for £20. I just think it's class. Do I know where I'm going to go using this? I don't know. But did I want it? Yes. Like, I just think, oh, I just love it. I think it's because it's green as well. I just love it. This is a little bit of like a side story, but when I was a kid, I absolutely loved anything that was to do with like spies and stuff. So I know as a kid, I used to have like these, again, totally off topic, but I used to have these little sensors that I could put around the house, and then my little gadget thing that I had, it would light up when something went past that sensor. So I used to put it around the house. Like I'd have one at the bottom of the stairs, and I'd have one at the top of the stairs, so I knew when my mum was coming up the stairs. So like if I was doing something that I shouldn't have been, like I was awake and I should have been asleep, it would set off the one down the stairs, and I'd know that I'd have to like quickly get into bed. And then when I got to like the sensor at the top of the stairs went off, I know I'd have to quickly like pretend to go to sleep and put my device down. I would have loved this. Young Lucy would have loved this to put her cool little gadgets in. Like she would have adored it. But anyways, in here we have some of the lip sets. We have the little pigment set, and we also have the mascara and the liquid eyeliner as well. So let's go through everything in here. But yeah, I just think that's funny as because I used to have the walkie-talkies, I used to have the night vision goggles when I was a kid. Like I wanted to be a spy so bad. And I feel like that just would have went so well with my little spy gear that I used to have. I just think it's hilarious. So let's start with the eyeliner and the mascara. The packaging is beautiful for this. I am completely 100% biased because I love green, and I've said that like a billion times, but really, really like it. So I've not actually opened any of this, so we're opening it all together. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. I'm assuming it's going to be black. Yeah. Oh, that nib. Oh, it's got a little ball in it as well. That nib is very, very fine. Like, look how... I hope you can see that because I've definitely put my contact lens in wrong and I cannot see a thing that I'm doing. So I hope that you can actually see that. That is really, really fine. I don't know if you can see what else I'm doing it. And really, really pigmented. Okay. Okay, so that's £8 for that. I love when it's got like the little thing in it. And then we have the mascara. This is a lengthening and volumizing mascara. Ooh, the packaging on this, beautiful. And I've seen the wand online. The wand looks really nice. Yeah, the wand's definitely my cup of tea. I don't really like massive wands. I prefer more ones like this that you can get like really in there. So that is that, and that retails for £10. Please, please, please let me know in the comments what you want me to do a review of tomorrow. I will review everything, but please let me know what you want me to start with tomorrow, just so I know what's the most exciting thing that you're wanting me to do. And then we have 2 different lip sets. So these just look like this. We have the Matrix Liquid Lip and Lip Gloss set. This is prophecy. And then we have simulation. Let me just see how much these are. So the lip kits retail for £8 each, which is actually quite a banging price when you think it's like £4 for one, and it's also like a branded collab with the Matrix. So okay, ooh, okay, comes out like this. So let me know which one of these lip sets you want me to review first tomorrow. This is just what it looks like. So this one is more purple. So this is the matte liquid lipstick. Let's see if I can do a little swatcheroo. Doesn't help that I actually cannot see what I'm doing at all. So that is that one. So if you want the more purple one, then please comment the simulation in the comments so that I know to do that. And then that is, oh my god, that's green. And that says that's a matte liquid lip. I thought it was meant to be a liquid lip and a gloss. Oh no, these ones are 2 liquid lip sets. Sorry, that was my fault. It does say liquid lip set on the front. That was my fault. Sorry, it's been a long day. So we have 2 matte liquid lipsticks in there. So if you do want me to do this one, what colour do you want me to do? Do you want me to do purple or do you want me to do green? Very unique. And then the other one is the black one, which has the black liquid lipstick and a black gloss in it as well. But yeah, £8 each. Please let me know which one we to do first. Do you want me to do the purple and the green one, or do you want me to do the black one? And if you don't want me to do this one, which colour do you want me to do? Do you want me to do purple? Do you want me to do green? Let me know. Next up, we have a pigment trio set. This is the Anomaly loose pigment set. I think I said that right. And this just says pigment with resistance. XX is the one. A systemic anomaly. And that's not the right words, but we move. So, this has 3 different pigments inside. We have Neo, Trinity, and then Morphosis. It's bad because I know what the word sounds like, but does my mouth say that? Absolutely not. And then this is what the pigments look like. Again, if you do want me to use the pigments in tomorrow's video, which colour do I go for? So Morphosis is the darker one. And then we have Trinity, which is the more green with a bit of gold. And then we have this kind of like pinky kind of one, pinky bronzy one, which is Neo. Please let me know. And the pigments retail for £15 for the trio. So there is 3 palettes in the collection. There is a huge £30 one, which is this big bad boy. And then we also have 2 of the Luxe eyeshadow palettes. So these retail for £16 each, and I'm missing the green one. So tomorrow I'm going to be uploading a review on obviously a lot of this stuff. Let me know, do you want to see the massive one in tomorrow's review, or do you want to see the smaller one? And I'll show you what they both look like in a second. If you do want me to do a review on the green one, please let me know in the comments, because I'll order it. I'll buy it and then I can do a review on it at some point in the future. But let's get into the £30 one, because this one is huge. This is literally, I don't know if I've got it nearby. No, I can't bother moving back. I've done personal training today. My body hurts, so I'm not even bothering with that. But I believe this is actually, might even be a little bit bigger than the DC Face palette. I feel like it might be like wider than it. It's huge. It's a big palette. How I see it is, it has like 2 palettes in one. So it has the blue pill palette and it has the red pill palette. It would have been nice if, even if it came, so you had to buy it together, it would have been nice if you could actually separate the 2, because then you could have been like, which one do you take? Do you take the blue pill and do you take the red pill? And it would have fit with like the movie really, really well. But I guess if it all being together, you've got it all in one place. But yeah, it would have been nice, even if it was like separated, but they're magnetised together or something. I think that would have been really cool. But this is what it looks like. It is huge. Packaging is really, really nice. Like, I love all the packaging. The inside of it, oh my god, looks like this. Can you see? Hello, I'm just under here. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. And to be honest with you, like, I could literally, when I review this palette, I think what I'll do is I'll do one eye blue pill and one eye red pill, because it is beautiful. But it would have just been so nice if you could buy these separately, or if they could separate and then you could like share it with a friend, because I know my friend Jodie would love the blue side and my friend Carly would love the red side, so they could have bought that and then split it between the two of them, and the other person probably wouldn't use the other side and the other person probably wouldn't have used the other side, but beautiful. So yeah, please let me know if you want me to do a review on that one tomorrow, or if you want me to do a review on this one. So this one I'm going to try and pronounce again because I cannot say it for my life. This one just looks like this. The packaging for this is very, very, very nice, and then this is what it looks like. So this one is kind of the more neutral one between this one and the green one, which is why I'm asking if you want me to do a review on the green one, because the green one looks beautiful as well. And it does have names on the actual eyeshadows, it's just on the little sheet. So something that I also mentioned in the DC collection when I did a full collection reveal on that, is that I'd rather just not do the names, or do the names but just have it on the actual palette, because I've been this, like I ain't gonna keep this. It's going to do my head in. I'm going to get annoyed by it because it'll keep flopping about every time I try and go on the eyeshadow palette. I would just bin it. So I'm not going to get to see the names, and the names make sense to the film. So I feel like it's just a shame that somebody spent so much time thinking of the names and getting the names to match the eyeshadows for it then to just end up in my bin. You know what I mean? So yeah, that is what this one looks like, and it retails for £16. That is the full collection. I would love to know what you think down below. What do you think of this collection? What do you want me to review first? I'm just so excited to really get into it and to start testing the things out tomorrow. I didn't know that was going to be 2 liquid lipsticks, so that blew my mind as well. But yeah, I would love to know what you think. Please let me know down below. Let me know which ones you want me to do review tomorrow, especially out of the 2 big palettes, so I know what to do for yours. And I will see you tomorrow for a full review of as many of these products as possible, and then the day after will be anything that was missing and a full review on them as well. And I think after that, I think the day after, I might try to get another Simpsons review up. So if there's anything that I didn't review in my Simpsons review video that you're desperate for me to do, please again let me know in the comments as well. But yeah, thank you so much. I hopefully will see you tomorrow. Thank you to my patrons for being so lovely and being part of my exclusive community. If you are interested in joining, it literally starts as little as £1 a month. You can cancel it whenever you want, and it's just basically like a really close-knit community with a gorgeous group of girls. There's about 50-ish of us now. I'm actually going to be meeting up with some of them next week in Liverpool, and we're going to be having a stay over in this apartment that we've all booked. It's going to be amazing. So yeah, if you want to join our little kind of close-knit community family thing, then I will leave all the links down below for you to join my Patreon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for the review. Bye!